Today I'm making a chocolate chip pretzel sourdough loaf. First in a bowl I'm going to add 125 grams of active starter. Next I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Then I'm going to add 280 grams of warm filtered water. Mix it up. Next add 475 grams of unbleached bread flour. Mix it up until the dough comes together. Then cover up the dough and let this rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to add 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and then do my first round of 3 rounds of stretch and fold, which just means I'm going to lift up the dough and place it on itself and do it all the way around the bowl and then cover the dough back up and let it rest for 30 minutes in between each round. Now I'm going to do my last round of stretch and fold and then let this rise for 6 to 8 hours or until it doubles in size. Once the dough has doubled in size, I add it to a cutting board. I'm going to flatten it out and then fold in each side and then roll it into a bowl and add it into a lined banneton and cover it up and place it in the fridge overnight. Then the next day I have 1 cup of water and a 1/4 cup of baking soda that I mixed together. I'm going to brush it on the dough. I have the dough on a piece of parchment paper. Then I'm going to score the top of the dough and then I'm going to place the dough in a preheated Dutch oven that I've been preheating at 450 degrees and I'm going to bake it at 450 for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to take the lid off the Dutch oven and place it back in the oven at 400 degrees for another 25 minutes to finish baking. Once the bread was done, I let it cool for 1 hour and now I'm going to slice into it and here's an up close look.